You closing deals?
I'm kind of gonna get away.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It's about that time. I think we only have about 2 more hours and that's it.
I think there was more people yesterday than today.
Yeah.
Really?
Right?
No.
Hmm? Yeah.
I don't believe that.
Oh, there goes Jake. He's like, I'm sick of you biting my leg. I'm going to start biting you back. Because you see Scruffy keeps going for his leg.